Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you verbs starting with the letter E. I have already covered verbs from A to D, so if you haven't watched those yet, so you can find them all in the playlist on my channel. So without further delay, let's get started. The first one is base form or present form, also called as V1. Second one is past form, also called as V2. Third one is past participle, which is called as a V3. Number 4 is INC form called as a V4. And the last one is V5, which we used for third person singular, that is for he, she, it, and we simply add as, es, or ies at the end of the verb. Now let's start. The first one is and, earning, uns. 2. Eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. 3. Educate, educated, educated, educating, educates. 4. Empower, empowered, empowered, empowering, empowers. 5. Empty, emptied, emptied, emptying, empties. 6. Encircle, encircled, encircled, encircling, encircles. 7. Encouraged, 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 encouraging, encourages. Number 8. Encroach, encroached, encroached, encroaching, encroaches. Number 9. Endanger, endangered, endangered, endangering, endangers. 10. Endorse, endorsed, endorsed, endorsing, endorses. 11. Endure, endured, endured, enduring, endures. 12. Engrave, engraved, engraved, engraving, engraves. 13. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed, enjoying, enjoys. 14. Enlarge, enlarged, enlarged, enlarging, enlarges. 15. Enlighten, enlightened, enlighten, enlightening, enlightens. 16. Enter, entered, entered, entering, enters. 17. Envy, envied, envied, envying, envies. 18. Erase, erased, erased, erasing, erases. 19. Scape, scaped, scaped, scaping, escapes. 20. Evaporate, evaporated, evaporated, evaporating, evaporates. 21. Exchange, exchanged, exchanged, exchanging, exchanges. 22. Exclude, excluded, excluded, excluding, excludes. 23. Exit, exited, exited, exiting, exits. 24. Expand, expanded, expanded, expanding, expands. 25. Expect, expected, expected, expecting, expects. 26. Explain, explained, explained, explaining, explains. 27. Explore, explored, explored, exploring, explores. 28. Express, expressed, expressed. Your turn. You have to feel and comment down below. Expresses. 29. Extend, extended, extended, extending, extends. 30. Eyed, eyeing, eyes. That's it for today's class. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. See you soon.